Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. This is Hochman Fabrication and Speed. You're with Ben and Billy, and we've got a new project within the house today. It's an Audi TT. And this one is special in the sense that the customer uses it for racing. Yes, they do. And the issue for this vehicle, yes, that is a yellow Supra. I will say that one more time. Yes, that is a yellow Supra. Calm down. We're not putting any videos up on that right now. Just chill. We're talking about the TT, okay? I know you're mad about that, but it's gonna be okay. So if you see the yellow Supra, maybe some stuff will come on it later. Back to the TT. So, with respect to that, it's also special because it's a 3.2 liter. And I'm not too educated in these Audis, as you know. It's new to me. We recently got an R8, so I'm learning a lot about them. But from what the customer tells me, these are not very common. With that being said, they unfortunately had the misfortune of another exhaust fabricator, for that matter, if you want to call it, doing some butchery on this vehicle, and he's got a tremendous amount of drone when he's driving. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of the system, put something nice together that you guys know us best for, and make sure that he goes home with something that looks as good as it performs. With that being said, if you guys are not familiar with the channel, here at Hochman Fabrication and Speed, we do specialize in building race cars and components that look as good as they perform. So we encourage you to look back on some of our previous videos and playlists to see some of our work. We don't just work on Toyota Supras, we don't work on just Audis, we work on Mitsubishis, we work on Ferraris, we work on Mercedes, Hondas. As you can tell, we really don't discriminate on vehicles. It's really more about catering to the elite auto enthusiast. So we're going to go ahead and get this exhaust system off. You guys will get a sneak peek at what was on it before. Billy's going to take the lead on this one again, and we'll get this one knocked out for you. So stick around. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button with all notifications, because you'll see vehicles like this, the Supra, and also this Tesla swapped Evo that's in the works. Yes, we're still working on video updates for that as well. We apologize for the delays. But nonetheless, let's get started on this one. Yeah, that's something. So we're actually going to be deleting the exhaust, or removing the exhaust from that dual clamping point right there. We're going to be leaving the factory catalytic converters and working from that joint backwards in order to repair what's going on. Since we are in the Midwest, quite commonly it is rusted, and we are going to make sure we don't have any bolts or nuts fighting us by spraying it down with some Lucas oil anti-seize. It all works, but only if it's Lucas. Definitely got to share you guys these goodies that we found here. Look at these goodies. Look at that engineering, huh? We don't want that slipping off, so we'll just put some hose clamps on either end of it. That'll work. Disgusted. What's that?
Disgusted.
Disgusted. Yeah, part of the drone is probably the fact that this is designed to have dual inlet and dual outlet, and one of them's capped. So depending on how things are circulated inside of this, more than likely it's bouncing off of areas that it doesn't want to. Not much flow either. In and out is the objective. Oh, those are some more goodies. The gifts that keep on giving. Let this just be a PSA to the rest of you guys. Be selective in who you have do your exhaust work if you care about your vehicle as much as I know these owners do. Gentlemen, another custom fabricated exhaust system from Hochman Fabrication and Speed, courtesy of yours truly over there. Good job, LA. This particular customer brought in their 3.2 liter Quattro Audi TT and specifically requested to have this type of a design built for them. They found something online that looks similar to this and said, hey, can you duplicate that? And we said, sure, we can do our own version. They even asked us to reuse their exhaust tips. So we went ahead and cut off the old tips from the old system, cleaned them up, and used those. And as you can see, we have successfully achieved the goal of keeping things nice, high and tight. We've also integrated a V-band clamp as opposed to the traditional clamp that was on it. He had quite a bit of a clearance issue before with some of his O2 wiring. We made it sure to prevent that from having so much of a clearance issue. We helped him prevent any further issues with that wiring by keeping it low enough in the front, but all that's left at this point now is to get the car down, hook up the battery, and see how it sounds. So what do you say? Let's hear it.